Okay guys, so this is Nathan Johnson again. In this video, we're gonna be talking about South City Kitchen, which is a high-end Southern comfort restaurant located right here in the heart of the Avalon. But first, let's talk about Alpharetta. Alpharetta has come a long ways. If you know Alpharetta in the past like I do, before there was a downtown that has been totally remade, and the Avalon that has really reshaped how visiting Alpharetta looks. It needed a lot of work, to say the least. But now that the Avalon is here, and Alfred has done a lot of work with building up their downtown area, there is so many different things to do here, so many different places to eat. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about South City Kitchen and basically talking through the offerings that they have for Restaurant Week. So you might want to stick around if you want to get a great deal on some great food here in Alpharetta.
I'm James Potts, the executive chef here at South City Kitchen, located in the heart of Alpharetta, Georgia, here at the Avalon. The restaurant's been around for over 30 years, and this is our newest location here in the Avalon, and we've been here since 2017. And here we specialize in Southern elevated comfort food, such as fried chicken, shrimp and grits, pork chops, you name it. And this is a restaurant week you would not want to miss. We're offering appetizer, entree, and dessert for only $50. That comes with a lot of our specialties, i.e. shrimp and grits, fried chicken, pork chop, fried green tomatoes, you name it. Here we have a nice, interesting take on a simple salad, yet flavorful. It's filled with nice, bountiful artisan lettuce, our Benny C vinaigrette, which is a little bit sweet, a little tangy, and then we finish it with pecorino romano.
Here before me, we have the Southern Caesar with okra and grit croutons. So I'm very excited to try and dig in here. Let me see if I can hunt down a couple croutons here. I'm afraid I cannot. But maybe they're very small. It's very lemony. It's got a really nice bitterness. There's some kind of little seeds to it that add a lot to there's some bopping music going on. A lot of little things like the grated cheese and some little seeds that are really adding to the texture and making it a little more complex. So it's definitely not a classic Caesar salad, but it is delicious. So I'm gonna enjoy another bite and then I'm gonna pass the salad, move on from the salad.
So this is our fried chicken that's been around on our menu for over 30 years. First, we brine our chicken for 48 hours. Then we pair it with our vegetarian, fully flavored collard greens. Also pair with red bliss mashed potatoes, and then we finish it with our honey thyme jus.
So this is their fried chicken, as you heard from the chef. It looks amazing. Look at it, so good. So good. I'm a dark meat person, so when I saw like a red and the thigh, I'm just like, oh yes. Thank you, Jesus. So here we go. I'm gonna try this mashed potato first. I'm gonna try the collard greens. Maybe I should mix it all together. What's this gravy again? So there's this gravy substance, which is he called a jus, a Southern jus. All right. Oh, they've already cut it. They've already cut it. Oh yeah, there you go. Savage chicken.
Oh, so good in here.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Let me just go in here. I'm gonna go here. All right, chicken. White meat, will it be good? I don't know. White meat's kind of dry on the farm, so. It's not so dry. It is brined. I'll say the brining has come through. The white meat's not dry and flavorless. It actually has a flavor to it. So the 48-hour brine that they do works itself out. So hats off for you guys for that. I'm gonna try this with the mashed potatoes. There you go, chicken mash. Oh, just give me the potatoes. No, the chicken's still good. So I'll keep the chicken. Collard greens. Collards. Yeah, look at that. Oh, yes. Wow. Now, if you know collard greens, you know that collard greens is a bitter green. You eat them and they have a strong bitter aftertaste. These do not. For some reason, they somehow got all the bitterness out of these. It's just delicious. I don't know what need to find the secret. Oh yeah. Man. Goodness. I'm not sure if you guys are coming in on this or not, but I'll just keep eating till you do.
Fried green tomatoes, you won't find them anywhere else better. They're filled with goat cheese, so they're creamy, they're crispy. We pair them with a nice red pepper coulis, and then we finish it with a nice basil.
All right, now we have the fried green tomatoes. I'm very excited to try these. I'm told there's goat cheese inside, which is my favorite cheese. And I've actually never had like a true fried green tomato that wasn't like a college dining hall, so I'm very excited to try. That's awesome. It's really light, really balanced. It's kind of subtle, but the flavors all blend really, really nicely together. There's a great tanginess to the tomato, the cheese, like everything just pairs beautifully. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this until they take it away from me.
No.
I've never had fried green tomatoes before, and I love tomatoes. So I'm gonna try this and see if it's everything that everybody's saying that it's hyped up to be. Just trying to get the sauce. Take a look at that. That's actually amazing. There's like a slight bit of tartness coming from the green tomato. Okay, so there's a slight tartness from the green tomato. So most of the full flavor comes from the goat cheese, and it's very crispy because it's fried on the outside, and it's just really good. And I love that there's marinara sauce. Everything's so well balanced.
All right, here we have our shrimp and grits. That's also been on our menu for over 30 years. We're pairing Martian Mill country grits with our smoked tomato gravy and our smoked tasso ham.
Okay, guys, so I am now here with this amazing shrimp and grits. I'm saying it's amazing because it looks amazing. I've not tried it yet, so I guess we're gonna find out. There's a few places in Georgia that I go to for shrimp and grits. Most of them are really, really far away. Okay, so here we go. I'm diving in. Check that out. That looks delicious. Pretty excited. Pretty excited. Woohoo. All right. Goodness gracious. Gracious goodness. That was really good. I don't know what I like. I mean, the shrimp is like crispy. It has its own flavor. It's punching through the grits. The grits is flavored, the sauce, everything just marrying together. I love this dish. This is like my new favorite. It's the second thing I've tried, but it's my new favorite dish.
Okay, so this is shrimp and grits. I don't eat this enough. I eat grits a lot, but never with shrimp. So I'm excited. Wait, how do I bite this? Okay.
POV, you're from Georgia, but has shrimp and grits. We're going for the second bite.
The sauce is amazing. The tomato sauce on top of the grits are amazing. The shrimp, I don't know, it just ties on so well together. Like sometimes, you know, when shrimp has like that really strong taste, this shrimp is like very shrimp, but it ties very well. That was really bad.
It all ties together, is what she's trying to say.
Yeah.
It's a marriage made in heaven.
The sauce, the cheese, the grits, the shrimp.
Everything just marries so well. It's like you deserve each other.
Yes, all of it. But yeah, it's a very comforting version of shrimp and grits, and I really like it.
Here is our bone-in 10-ounce pork chop. It is accompanied with a peach bourbon barbecue glaze, corn succotash, and grilled asparagus.
Okay, I'm back. That was a big bite. So the pork chop, the sauce is a barbecue sauce, a lovely barbecue sauce, not too tangy, not too sweet, but I do love the barbecue sauce. No, I cannot have asparagus, the pork chop without trying one of these monster asparagus. So, smaller bite. Asparagus is asparagus, you know? It's salted. It's saucy now because I dropped it. Very good, very good. This is a really good dish. Like, I would come here just for this pork chop, get my protein fix in, and just be on my way, you know? First, let's sew. Let the carnage begin. Oh yes, cutting action. Check that out. Oh, that is gorgeous.
Towards the door, please.
What does this mean? Too big of a bite?
It is a big bite.
Now it's gonna be my turn to try.
Much louder.
I think I've gone straight into the bone here by mistake. That's okay. I'm gonna take it with a little bit of corn and these little greens and things they have over here. Everything pairs beautifully together. It's excellently cooked. I'm catching a little bit of a kick, but nothing too spicy, too hot. All the sauces pair well, the greens, the veggies. Very, very good. I'm gonna try the asparagus. Whoop. Really well cooked. Restaurant quality, dare I say.
Okay, here we have our shakshuka, which is our vegetarian entree. It's basically a tomato stew that we've also paired with black-eyed pea falafel to give it its southern twist.
Southern shakshuka and falafel. I'm not sure what's southern about falafel and shakshuka, but I guess they made it southern with the ingredients. So this thing looks amazing. So here we go. I don't even know how do you make sure you have the perfect bite, you know? This dish is very colorful. So it's a fusion of Mediterranean, Southern, and Middle Eastern, according to Jenny. So George is in there somewhere. Oh, oh. Now, I'll say this. The falafel cut through at the end, and I could taste the falafel over the sauce and the other vegetables. I feel like if we would have eaten this sooner, the falafel would have been crispier and it would have had a better texture. Right now it's kind of soft, so I didn't know it was even there until I tasted it. So let's try this again. You can see the falafel here, that green, and it's in there, but man, that's good. There's like this cheese, creamy. Let's try this again. All these flavors are marrying together. It's confusing me. There's like tomato, there's peppers, there's falafel, there's this cheesy, creamy substance. There's a tahini, there's a honey. It is a delicious dish. If I was vegetarian, it'd be one of my go-tos.
All right, so this is our take on the she crab soup, which originates from South Carolina and Georgia coastal islands. Here we have a creamy, velvety, lump crab meat, full soup.
Okay, guys, so we are at the last but not least part. Now, there were some appetizers. We talked about the fried green tomatoes. Another one is the she crab soup. Check that out. So, here we go. Now, if you don't see, you can see now, there's crab in the middle of the soup. I'm not sure what's around the crab, but the crab's just there, just drowning by itself, just like, help us, we can't get to the edge. All right, let's do this. Oh, oh, oh. Go ahead and fall. Go ahead and fall. There we go. So, check that out. Pretty awesome. You know, oh, wait a minute. There's a subtle bite that comes afterwards, like a spiciness. There's a lot of flavors that happen here, and I'm confused.
There's a lot of like chunks of crabs on top, so I'm excited. I love crab.
Oh, no, that's nothing.
So here's this. Okay. It's not as thick as I thought it was going to be, but it's really good. Like, it's a very, yeah, I guess like all you can really say that this just tastes like really fresh crab. Like, it tastes very fresh. It's seasoned very well. There's a slight kick at the end, like Nathan said. Yeah, it's pretty good. I would say get it. Very gourmet soup tasting, for sure. Okay, so this is the lemon blueberry cake, right?
Yes.
Okay, and we're gonna both eat this because Nathan can't eat it. He's allergic to sugar.
And happiness.
Okay, you want the first one?
You got it.
Ooh. It's a very tall cake. Okay, try to kick it down.
There we go.
Right into the sauce.
Okay, go ahead. It's a very soft cake. We can already
very
tell.
soft. So it's a bit like a pound cake.
Look at that
Texture-wise.
blueberry.
There's some little blueberries, some sort of sauce. Look at how gorgeous that is. And now, spoon truth. The blueberry little sauce is like perfectly tart. It pairs really well. I think it's a buttercream. And with these little candied lemons that are made in-house and these little shaved almonds, everything just comes together amazingly.
This is what the candied lemon looks like, by the way. It kind of looks like, I don't know, like, you know, like sour, what is it, those sour, like, strippy things that they're like usually green and
I know
red.
what you mean, but I don't remember what
Rips.
it's called.
Rips? I don't know, hold on. I don't know. Anyways, it looks like sour candy, so I'm excited to try it. Mmm. Who needs key lime pie? This is amazing. The sweetness and the sourness from the lemon, it just is so good. We don't even need the knife. Like, it
Honestly,
just cuts
it's
through.
just-
I did that with just the fork. Oh,
We don't need the knife.
Nathan's very salty because he can't eat this.
You can't get any sweet.
Mm. Don't be like Nathan. Order this.
And
Yeah, the frosting's amazing. Yeah, I love how flavorful this frosting is. But it also ties the cake in well because usually when it comes to frosting, it has to be less flavored, typically, so that it doesn't overpower the cake. But this all just ties in together very well.
Okay, so our hours of operation are 7 to 10 for breakfast, 11 to 2 for lunch, and 5 to 10 for dinner, Monday through Friday. We also offer a very nice brunch on the weekend, Saturday and Sunday from 8 to 2. You can always find us here in the heart of Alpharetta, located inside the Avalon, inside the hotel.